Hi friends, this is Satya. Today we are going to see how to create a simple macro in Excel. If you want to know the Excel formulas and tricks, go through my previous videos. I will share it in my description. First thing on creating the macro is you need to open the VBA editor. For that, click Alt F11 and then click Insert and then Module. This is the page you need to update the VBA code. Now I'm going to show how to create a message box in Excel. Now see, the first command in the macro is that should be start with sub, then give the space and then give the title to your macro coding. I'm going to give test macro as a name for my VBA code. Give the enter. It will automatically create the end sub. In between that, you need to enter the macro codes. For creating a message box in Excel, type MSG box, open bracket, double quote. I'm going to say hi, good morning. That's it. Then double quote and then close bracket. This is the simple macro code for creating the message box in Excel. I'm going to run this code. See what will happen. Just click the run. The message box will show in Excel. You can create a button for running this macro instead of clicking the run button in VBA editor page. For that, insert the shapes or any pictures. I'm going to give this shape and then enter as click me. Then assign the created macro code to this picture or shapes. Just right click and then give assign macro and then test macro, then click OK. If you click that, the message box will be open. In upcoming videos, I will be sharing various techniques and codes in macros. Interested people, please subscribe my channel and share my channel. And if you have any doubt, please update in the comments. I will answer for that. Thanks for watching my video.